I put vinegar on my feet and look what happened. You need to know this trick. Today, you will know what happens when you dare to pour vinegar on your feet. Maybe you don't know what this unusual trick is for, but I guarantee you that as soon as you know it, you will start doing it, and you will thank me forever. But before I tell you what vinegar is for on your feet, I will tell you some other uses you can make with vinegar, and that will be useful to you. Number 1. If at some point you have wanted to put on some clothes and it is wrinkled, you can unwrinkle it in a short time without the need to use the iron. You just have to mix a teaspoon of white vinegar and 3 tablespoons of water in a container. Then use an atomizer to spray the clothes with the mixture, and in a few minutes you will have the clothes very smooth and like new. Doing this is perfect for camping days or for those who don't like ironing. Number 2. After a long time of use, the pots tend to darken and burn after cooking. You can avoid this with the help of vinegar. In the burned pot, add a cup of white vinegar and a cup of water, and then boil for 10 minutes. As time goes by, let the pot cool and then rinse as you usually do. You will notice that it will look much better. Number 3. If you wear glasses or know someone who uses them, you have surely noticed that they get dirty easily. Vinegar is ideal to get rid of them. First, spray them with a little vinegar. Then dry with a microfiber towel and they will be shiny. Before continuing with the next use, I invite you to send this information to someone who can help you. Number 4. If annoying flies have invaded your house and you don't know what to do to keep them away, vinegar can be your best ally, since this is very good for attracting flies. Just fill a cup with vinegar and then cover with plastic wrap. Make some holes with a knife. After a few hours, the flies will enter and will not be able to leave. Do the test and you will see. Number 5. After removing the papers, there is usually a foul smell in the bathroom. To solve it, just pour a tablespoon of vinegar into a loaf of bread and then place it at the bottom of the sink for 12 hours. As time goes by, you will notice how the bad smell has gone. Number 6. If you have small children at home and they often scratch the walls with crayons, don't worry, since vinegar is a good cleaner. Just spray the area scratched with white vinegar and let it rest for a minute. Then remove the dirt with a towel or rag. Number 7. If there is moisture in the wardrobe, it can create mold that damages the clothes or makes it smell bad. And in the same way, after washing, the clothes tend to smell bad because of the moisture. Before hanging or storing it, spray it with a little vinegar, and this will prevent it from smelling bad because of the moisture. And best of all, it disinfects the clothes and keeps the color for longer. You don't have to worry about the smell since there are no residues left. Now it's time to tell you what vinegar is for on your feet. Feet accumulate the most stress we have. For this reason, as time goes by, they become callous and scratchy. Vinegar is ideal for relaxing and softening the feet. All you have to do is put them in a bucket of warm water and then apply a cup of vinegar. Let it rest for 15 minutes a day and the feet will relax a lot. And best of all, this method is also perfect for removing fungi, bacteria, and athlete's foot. Which of these tricks did you think was the coolest? If you know any other vinegar trick or application, let me know below.